Now, like I said, it's only been a few days, so I'm still holding out hope that the sprinklers that I was able to clean, that one there, I didn't really do much adjustment to there. I lowered that one down, I cleaned this one out, and then there were some other ones that really didn't affect this over here, right? So I'll keep my eyes on this. I'll hold out some hope yet that it's just the sprinklers, but you never know. Whew. Well, I'm getting ready to work on some stairs in the backyard, but I thought I would add this to this particular video about the sprinklers out here and your dead lawn. It's been a few days and it looks like, I just pulled that green bed up. It looks like there's a little bit of new green growth. See right in there? I want to keep my eyes on this, and if you were, here's another thought for you. Okay, I knew some of the sprinklers needed to be cleaned out and stuff, and I'm hoping that this is going to all come back. And what if it doesn't come back? And it just stays there and continues to keep dying and stuff? Have you thought of what the possibility could be that's causing that? Yes, it's right next to here. Granted, the sidewalk is on the other side of the street. But have you thought that, you know what? Maybe somebody's walking their dog along here. The dog happens to be pissing in the same location every time. Every other day when the dog gets walked down the street, comes over here, he remembers where he's pissed before, and he keeps pissing in the same place. Now, I hope that's not happening, but it could be a very good possibility that maybe that is what your issue is, okay? So think about that too, if your sprinklers are all working properly.